Hello, this is Sherwood with ToolRent. Today I'm going to go over the basic operation of one of these Multiquip tow-behind concrete mixers. Most of these do not have jacks, so you have to physically pick it up and put it on your car. We use a forklift. Most use a 2-inch ball. Get your safety chains. Plaque. Alright, to move the barrel, and this is going to be hard one-handed because it's weighted heavier on the bottom, so you would lift this up and turn this, but this little bar sits in one of the cogs of the gears and stops it from moving, locks it in place. All right, this one's a metal drum. To open the back hatch, you have to remove these plastic pieces. One's right here, another on this side. Notice how it says push to stop. To turn it on, you pull it on out. Pick this up. And it goes all the way up, sets on its back. Just like that. Most of these are run off of Honda engines. So before transport on these machines, you have to turn off the gas or it's gonna mix into the oil and that's no good. So you turn it off before you drive it anywhere, move it at all. We turn it off as soon as we turn this switch off to turn on the machine, which is right here. Right, as soon as we switch this off, we're turning off the gas over here. So we turn this on, we turn this on. This machine I've already started, so it's warm, but this will be the choke right here. Right, then you pull it. Here's the throttle on this one. Over here. Both run on the same engine. This one turns much faster. Lower that. Turn this off. Turn off the gas. I usually push this button too. Lower this back down. That's the basic operation of a tow-behind concrete mixer.